Did you know that Malaysia still pays rent every year for land it already owns? This strange situation involves a 400-year-old kingdom that refuses to give up. The Sulu Sultanate has ruled parts of the southern Philippines since the 1500s. In 1878, Sultan Jamal al-Kiram made a deal with the British North Borneo Company. He leased the territory of Sabah to them for annual payments, but he never sold it. Here's where it gets complicated. When Malaysia formed in 1963, Sabah became part of the new country. However, the original lease agreement was never officially canceled. The Sulu Sultanate says they still own Sabah because they only rented it out, never gave up their rights. Today, Malaysia continues paying money to the heirs of the Sulu Sultan. Meanwhile, the Sultanate fights legal battles in international courts, claiming Sabah should be returned to them. This centuries-old rental agreement now creates tension between the Philippines and Malaysia. It shows how colonial-era deals can still affect modern Southeast Asian politics and international relationships today.